Hi, Linda. I'm so sorry I'm late.
You're really late. You were supposed to be here over an hour ago. What happened?
There was heavy traffic on the freeway, and I couldn't call because my cell phone died.
That's weird. There isn't usually any traffic at this time of day.
I know, but there was a really bad accident on the freeway about 10 miles north of here. Traffic was completely stopped for over an hour.
That's very unusual.
Hi, Mike.
Hi, Kylie. What's wrong?
I have to apologize. I wasn't able to finish my half of our class project last night.
But it's due today.
I know. I feel terrible about it.
What happened?
My roommate burned her hand while she was cooking last night, and I had to take her to the emergency room. We were there all night.
No wonder you look so tired. Is she okay?
Her hand is burned pretty badly, but she'll be all right.
Hey, Ken. Why didn't you come to Alex's party last night? We were all expecting to see you there.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. I got lost trying to find Alex's house.
Really? But I gave you directions.
Well, I wrote the directions down wrong.
Well, why didn't you call or use the GPS on your phone?
I didn't have my cell phone with me.
That's strange. You always carry your cell phone with you.
Where have you been? We've been waiting for you. The meeting was supposed to start half an hour ago.
I know. I apologize. My car broke down and I had to wait for a tow truck.
Again? Didn't your car break down last week, too?
Yeah, it did. It's a really old car.
And the week before that, you were late because you were helping someone look for their lost cat.
I'm sorry. I promise I'll be on time for next week's meeting.